Good evening. Now we will see this last video, and this is related with your one-way continuous lab. Now we have to see when we will go that our three conditions will be satisfied in this or not. So what are three conditions? We have first condition, we should require or we should have minimum three spans. So if we will see, so we have three or more spans. So minimum three spans required. Now these conditions are given. If we will go to 23.22.5, where we have given these coefficients. Uh, Coefficients are given on 36, and this 22.5 clause is on 35 page number. So this is first criteria. So we have 1, 2, so 1, 2, 3, 4. So our first criteria is satisfied. Then we have second criteria, that is lowest span, or we can say smaller span should be within 15% of longest. Should be within 15% of longest. Now our longest span in this, if we will see, so we are longest as 3280, and then we have to calculate it, that is 3280 into 0.15. So we have 3280. So 3280 into 0.85 within 15%. So this value comes 2788 millimeters. So our all spans, that is 3150 is greater than this, and 3220 also greater than this. And therefore our second condition is satisfied. And third condition, a redistribution is not allowed, and we are not considering redistribution. Redistribution not allowed. And if these three conditions are satisfied, then we can go for IS code coefficient method, which is given on page number 35 and 36. So we will see it. Now we have this span now, and we have, this is continuous lab. So this is C15 over here, C16, C17, 18, and C19. And now we will go to the coefficients. So now if we will go to this, then we have given, that is table number. So we have this table 12. So table 12 and page number we have already, we have seen this table number we have, that is 36. Page number 36. And now we will see how we will go for these coefficients. Now we have first this coefficient, that is dead load, and then we have this coefficient that is for imposed load. So first we will go for dead load. Dead load. And we have this as span moments. So span moments, dead load. So first we have near middle of end span. So end span we have this, and therefore we have value 1/12 plus 1/12. Similarly, this is end span, so middle of end span plus 1/12. Then we can have imposed load for the same, that is near middle of end span plus 1/10. So I can have imposed load, and that is plus 1/10. So this is plus 1/10. Then we have at the middle of interior span. Now we have these two as interior span, and then we have these values for dead load plus 1/16, plus 1/16, and live load we have plus 1/12 and plus 1/12. So these values are for span moments. Now we will go values which we have for supports. So now we have next, that is support moments. Now we will have support moments. Now end support we have value at 0. Bending moment is 0 at both ends. Then we will go first dead load. So you can see at support next to end support -1/10 for dead load. Next to end support. So we have this is next to end supports. Both we have this one. So we have this value -1/10 and we have this value also -1/10. And then we have imposed load values. So we have imposed load. And then we have this value for imposed load -1/9. So for -1/9. So we have this also -1/9. So next to end support. And then we have now at other interior support. So we have value 0 over here next to end support, value 0 over here next to end support. And at any other interior support, we have due to dead load -1/12. So due to dead load, we have -1/12. And due to imposed load, again -1/9, -1/9. So these are the coefficients. And we know we have to multiply it. Suppose we have dead load coefficient, then what we will get it as 1/12 WUD into L effective square. And then if imposed load we have to find plus 1/10 WU into L effective square. And then we are going to get bending moment for this. So in question, actually, we have to find bending moment coefficients for continuous slab. And we have these are the coefficients which we have to find that is for continuous slab. So these are span moments and we have these as supports moments are given that is in table number 12. So we will stop here only. All the best for your examination. Thank you.